Duit YouTube, Constantatu. I'm here at the O2 Arena in Dublin, obviously. To me it'll always be called the Point Depot. I'm just waiting for people from Kings of Concrete to arrive so we can have a volunteers meeting for the festival. If anyone's unfamiliar with Kings of Concrete, it's a skate, rollerblading, BMXing, street sport festival type thingy. I'll put a link to a video below, and I might link one there if I can work the annotations. So I was supposed to meet up with a friend of mine as well beforehand, but due to public transport our buses were running late, so I'll probably meet up with him later. He's going out to Dunleary to do some parkour, and I haven't done parkour in a while, so I would like to get that done. Excuse me. Cumalish Carter. Just had a phone call from my friend who I asked for the number for the girl who was organising the meeting, and he said he didn't have her number, and that I rang him accidentally while I was vlogging, so that's that. So my plan for the day is to go to this meeting, check out what's happening, and I'm hopefully going to be able to. They're relaunching the festival, I think, and they're linking in with the Dublin Tall Ships Festival, so that'll all be happening. In the 21st to 24th, I think, of August, and we're moving to a new location. For the last couple of years it was at the offices in Dublin City Council on Wood Quay, and it was nice, it was good, but now we're moving to Grand Canal Dock, which should be even better. So anyway, that's the plan for the day. So after that I might go out to Dunleary and meet up with Brian, and other than that, hope it doesn't rain. So, Song of fóill Carter, agus gur agat. Duit, Iwa, Constantatu, Tá mé ag an tírsú. I am very tired. It's now 10 o'clock. I'm tired. It's been a long old day. The meeting went well. Eventually figured out that the big group of people at the opposite end of the building were there for the Kings of Concrete meeting as well. So eventually figured it out and went down and said hi to the people that I know and hello to a few more people. As I thought, this year is going to be massive. We're linking in, as I said, with the Dublin Tall Ships Festival. It's being held in Grand Canal Dock and along the quays. It's going to be a massive venue with umpteen many more, activities and amusements and whatever else you want to call them. So it should be a good festival, so I'm looking forward to it. And it's in August. I'll be starting to make a few videos for it during then. I also volunteer to do t-shirt workshops and help set up the warehouse and so on, so that's going to keep me occupied between now and then, on top of work, on top of anything I'm doing with the Adventure Club. So busy. I figured I might as well finish off this vlog and get it uploaded. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going to try and sort out the vlog that I want to do personally, and then I might get around to doing an audition for the Daily Gaze. No, wrong collab. The Global Gaze, TGG. That's it. Oh, my head hurts. My feet hurt. My everything hurts. Tá mé ag tírsú. But while I'm a cuddler, I want my bed. I think that's what's called for. Tea, maybe some toast, TV, bed. Maybe not even TV. Okay, sorry for the slight moany tiredness, but it's just been a long day. So, gur míle maith agat, ihuá, agus slán go fóill.